snowflakes dancing on Main Street tonight. Marathon City's glowing, every window's bright. There's Orpis smiling, scarf pulled up tight. A lifelong hometown heart, feeling Christmas just right. Cards on the table, laughter in the air, friends all around her, joy everywhere. From stories and jokes to a well-played hand, this season feels warm in this close-knit land. Oh, it's Christmas with Orpis, a marathon city where the lights shine bright and the nights feel pretty. From Kwik Trip stops to the village in cheer, every little moment says Christmas is here. This let's flying fast down Main Street tonight, laughing all the way in the soft moonlight. It's Christmas with Orpis, happy and free. The heart of the holidays in Marathon City. Village in booth, hot coffee steaming, talking about old times, laughing and dreaming. McDonald's drive-through, fries and cheer, simple traditions she holds so dear. Kwik Trip, run for a snack and a smile, running into neighbors, chatting a while. Every hello feels like family, that's the magic of this community. Oh, it's Christmas with Orpis, a marathon city where the lights shine bright and the nights feel pretty. From Kwik Trip stops to the village in cheer, every little moment says Christmas is here. Sleds flying fast down Main Street tonight, laughing all the way in the soft moonlight. It's Christmas with Orpis, happy and free. The heart of the holidays in Marathon City. Church bells ringing through the cold clear air, snow boots by the door, joy everywhere, generations of memories, year after year. This town, this season, she holds them near. Yeah, it's Christmas with Orpis, a marathon city where the world feels small and life feels pretty. From cards with friends to a hometown spree, every tradition feels like family. Sled tracks glowing under starlight bright, Main Street echoes with pure delight. It's Christmas with Orpis, come and see the true holiday spirit of Marathon City. So raise a cup, share a laugh, let the good times roll. Christmas lives deep in a hometown soul, with snow, smiles and community. Merry Christmas from Marathon City.